Hey guys, and welcome to my vitamin C lab. As you can see before, I have all the materials that we're going to need. But first, you're going to need to put on some rubber gloves. Oh, I almost forgot. You're going to have your hair pulled back if you have long hair. Oh, and right, you're also going to need to wear goggles because we're going to be working with iodine. In this next slide, will show you your materials you're going to need. Now you're going to want to grab your iodine. It's wrapped up here because it's extremely light sensitive, so let me unwrap that. Next, you're going to want to pour 30 milliliters of your iodine into your 500 milliliter graduated cylinder. Now you're going to want to add enough distilled water to get it up to the 300 milliliter mark, like so. Now you're going to want to pour your iodine solution into amber glass bottles. This is because, again, as I said before, the iodine is super light sensitive. You don't really want that to be messed with when it comes to this experiment. It's very important. Now it's time to make your starch solution indicator. Heat 200 milliliters of distilled water on a pot on the stove. When it's near boiling, add about 1 gram, which is equivalent to 1/4 teaspoon of starch to the pot. Start to dissolve the starch and keep the water near boiling. This is going to take a while, just to let you know. Now make sure your starch solution is at room temperature before you store it in the glass jar that you're going to need it. The glass jar must be clean and clear. That way you don't mess it up with the iodine solution. I did that before. It was not fun. For your first test, it's time to now make your fresh vitamin C standard solution with the vitamin C tablet that I crushed up earlier. It took me a while, trust me on that. Now you are going to want to dissolve the vitamin C powder in 100 milliliters of distilled water. This might take a little bit, so enjoy. Carefully pour the solution into the large graduated cylinder. Afterwards, add distilled water to make the total volume to 250 milliliters. And now your vitamin C solution is complete. Now you're going to want to measure out 20 milliliters of this. It's very important if you do so. You're going to need 20 milliliters, like it or not. It said so in the instructions when I first got this, okay? Now pour that 20 milliliters into your Erlenmeyer flask. I don't know if I pronounced that right or not. Erlenmeyer? Erlenmeyer? I have no idea. I'm just guessing at this point. Remember that starch solution we made earlier? Now you're going to want 10 drops of that to add into your vitamin C mixture. The iodine solution that you created earlier, you're going to need it now. Fill it between the 5 milliliter mark and 35 milliliter mark on your burette. It's very important that you use the same marks each time, and you fill it back up. Now what you're going to want to do is let a little bit of the iodine solution fall out through the tip of your burette. That way your results are more accurate. Otherwise you'll really get messed up. How could I forget? Record the markings where the iodine solution is now on your burette. That'll come in handy later when you're doing equations to solve this. Now you're going to want to put your vitamin C solution and slowly, very slowly and carefully, let 1 drop of iodine into the solution at a time, stirring in between. You're going to do this until this iodine solution changes the vitamin C solution to a different color, most likely a dark purple. Right when it does that, you're going to want to stop. Now record the amount of iodine you have left in your burette. This will come in handy later. Now I did this up to a total of 3 times, but I did not record the other 2 because it would take way too long. Make sure to rinse out your flask. I still don't know how to say it, because each solution might mess it up and there might be leftover iodine. It'll get pretty messy if you do not do that. Trust me, this is what happens when you don't pay attention to stuff. Okay, so next up we have the orange juice that we're going to test. You're going to want about 20 milliliters of this as well. This will be the same for all the other juices we are going to be testing. Oh, and how could I forget? I'm going to need that solution again that we made earlier. We're going to need it for all the times we do this, so keep it in handy and don't forget it. Trust me on that. Now just go through and repeat the same steps until you get to the final result of it turning into a different color. Remember to record your data. You definitely don't want to forget that no matter what. apple juice. One of my personal favorite types of juices. I'm just getting thirsty thinking about it. Anyways, open it up and start putting in the amount that you need, 20 milliliters. And repeat the steps that you did before for the orange juice and vitamin C solution. Remember to record your data after you're done with testing. Now on to our final juice, cranberry juice. If you haven't guessed already, you need to repeat the same steps as before. It's kind of obvious now, isn't it, if you think about it? Anyways, just watch and enjoy me going super fast, faster than normal.